This video explains how to fix the issue when the Capcut template button is missing in TikTok. If you're new, subscribe for more tutorials. If you don't see the Capcut Try This Template button while watching TikTok videos made with Capcut templates, you likely need to update the TikTok app. Exit TikTok and open the App Store or Google Play Store. Update TikTok to get all the newest features. After updating, open TikTok again and search Capcut Template to find videos definitely using templates. When watching one, you should now see the template button. Tap it to open the template in Capcut. In Capcut, just choose a photo video from your gallery. Capcut previews the template video with your media. Export it when you're done and upload to TikTok or Instagram Reels. Updating the TikTok app often adds the missing Capcut template button. Check back here if you still have issues. Thanks for watching.